Hey, welcome to Mirrorverse Education. Today we're solving two-step equations. So let's go. All right, the first one we're going to do is 800 plus 15n equals 987.5. So we're trying to solve this equation. We're trying to figure out what is the value for n that makes this equation true. And we do that by getting the variable, in this case the n, by itself. That means we have to get rid of all the numbers from the left side in this case and move them all to the right side. So let's get to solving. We have 800 plus 15n equals 987.5, and I'm going to put this little bar down the equal sign. The reason why I do this is that's I want to make sure that I remind myself that whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I do the exact same thing to the other side. Just a way to organize my thinking as I'm going through and solving this equation. Alright, so first thing is I'm going to get rid of that number that's far away from the variable. Alright, in this case, the n. So that number that's far away is the 800. So to make that go away, 800 minus 800 is 0. And we're going to do one side, I do the exact same thing to the other side. So I'm subtracting 800 from both sides of the equal sign. So I'm left with positive 15n. I know it's positive because it was plus 15n. So positive 15n equals 987.5 minus 800, which is 187.5. Alright, now to get rid of that 15, that is 15 times n. Whenever you don't see an operation, that is multiplication. You can assume it's multiplication. Okay? So to undo multiplication, we need to divide. Again, what do we do to one side? We do the exact same thing to the other side. So I'm going to divide both sides by 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 times n is n. 187.5 divided by 15 is 12.5. So assume I did all this correct. My n is 12.5. But sometimes we make mistakes. And there's sometimes little calculation mistakes, or we're just trying to move quickly and we make little mistakes. So let's make sure we check our work. And we do that by taking our value that we just found for n, and we're going to substitute it back into that equation for where n is. So we have 800 plus 15 times 12.5 equals 987.5. And 15 times 12.5 is 187.5. And 187.5 plus 800 is 987.5, which is what we're going for. So, yes, we got it. All right. Let's try another one out. 8,000 minus 250w equals 30,000. So again, we're going to solve this. We're getting that w by itself. So we're going to make that little bar, that little bounce bar, called bounce bar because it reminds me that I keep the equation balanced. That what I do to one side, I do the exact same thing to the other side. So again, I'm going to get rid of the number that's far away from the variable. In this case, 8,000. 8,000 minus 8,000 is 0. And 30,000 minus 8,000 is 22,000. Again, what I do to one side, I do the exact same thing to the other side. And now I'm left with negative 250w equals 22,000. You might be like, whoa. Where'd that negative come from? Well, subtraction, that minus 250w, is the same as negative 250w. Okay, so just bringing it all down. So now, this is where some people start to make some mistakes, is they want to go plus 250 plus 250. But that is not correct, because this is negative 250 times w. So again, we're looking at what's happening to the w. It's being multiplied by negative 250. So I'm going to do that opposite or the inverse operation, and I'm going to divide both sides by negative 250. Negative 250 divided by negative 250 is 1. 1 times w is w. 22,000 divided by negative 250 is negative 88. And I could have made a mistake here, because sometimes that happens. Yes, I make mistakes. Alright, so we're going to go check our work. We're going to find out if that negative 88 is w makes that original equation true. So 8,000 minus 250 times negative 88 equals 30,000, sorry. See, hey, I made a mistake. Alright, so I got negative 250 times negative 88, which is positive 22,000. That's where the plus 22,000 comes from. Okay, 8,000 plus 22,000 is 30,000, and that's what we were going for. So we did good. All right. So if you want to see more examples like this, or see what we're up to at Mirrorverse Education, visit us at mirrorverseed.com. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Adios.